Hey guys, I would just figured I'd share a little bit of the snow with some people that don't often get it. This is right here in Portsmouth, Virginia. Still right now I'm trying to monitor the power situation because if you can hear, my phone's not in focus, but you can hear it's still windy. There we go. Now it's back in focus. And as you can see, we've already got a few people stuck. But right there is our little power pole. Actually, they're connected to the military housing. If you can see one of the houses in the background behind me too. And then one of those lines are our internet and cable line, as you can see right where I'm pointing at. Right there. And it goes that way. Hopefully that doesn't come out or gets damaged. I don't know what this line is. I know this one is the main power going to the house. So far, my stream for tomorrow is on schedule. I just have to put it in the scheduler. I will probably do that tonight after the wind subsides, because I know it's only supposed to last from last night until tonight. So, yep, this is basically what we got to deal with today. I doubt anything being open. If so, it's just limited staff, so I wouldn't expect much. And there's our main roadway to and from the main road. I mean, Portsmouth, like just about everywhere, only does the main roads first. Leaves the they leave the secondaries like our street, and the street going down to our street covered. So, just figured I should go ahead and share this with you. Have fun, guys.